We are still working to get answers in Wednesday's parade shooting. 2 teens are charged right now, but could the adults in their lives also be charged? Good evening, everybody. I'm Chris Katz.
And I am Bria Berry in for Lara. This is still an open investigation. KMBC 9's Andy Alcock leads our team coverage tonight outside Union Station, looking into the possibility of charges against adults. Andy.
Bria, Jackson County Prosecutor Jean Peters Baker has publicly stated she's going to closely look at the possibility of maybe charging adults in connection with these 2 juveniles who are already charged. However, a local defense attorney says it is a tough road to prove a case.
I would be shocked if that happened.
Allison Young is an attorney with Kansas City's Watt Law Firm. She believes it would be very difficult to successfully prosecute parents, guardians, or other adults for the actions of 2 juveniles at Wednesday's mass shooting.
Only because they would have to prove some significant knowledge of what these juveniles were doing or planning to do at the time.
Young, however, does acknowledge there's precedent for it, but in another state. Earlier this month, a jury found Jennifer Crumbley guilty of manslaughter after her son killed 4 students at a Michigan high school in 2021. The shooter's father, James Crumbley, is scheduled to go on trial next month.
We don't see parents being held accountable in Jackson County very often, if ever.
Young says family court judge Jennifer Phillips will likely have to decide if the 2 juveniles can be tried as adults, a process called certification. On Friday, Carmen Lopez Murguia, the sister of Lisa Lopez Galvin, the lone fatality in Wednesday's shooting, had this comment about those 2 juveniles.
They may be underage, but they know what's right and what's wrong.
I would be very shocked if there was not a certification of both juveniles in this case.
Now, we did find a local case successfully prosecuted against a parent. In early 2017, Courtney Block pleaded guilty to multiple felonies after his 2-year-old daughter found his gun and then shot and killed herself. Block was sentenced to 10 years in prison. 7 years later, state records show he is out of prison and currently reporting to a probation and parole officer. Reporting live at Union Station, Andy Alcock, KMBC 9 News.
Andy, thank you. Young says several factors play into the decision to charge teens as adults, including their age and any criminal history. Now, she expects the 2 teens in this case will be charged as adults.